everybody, welcome to my channel, Colleen C to Serendipity. I'm Colleen. Welcome into my new viewers and welcome back to my Serendipity subbies. Today is October 14th, 2022, and I would like to bring you this day in history. U.S. Air Force Captain Chuck Yeager becomes the first person to fly faster than the speed of sound. Yeager, born in Myra, West Virginia in 1923, was a combat fighter during World War II and flew 64 missions over Europe. He shot down 13 German planes and was himself shot down over France, but he escaped capture with the assistance of the French underground. After the war, he was among several volunteers chosen to test fly the experimental X-1 rocket plane built by Bell Aircraft Company to explore the possibility of supersonic flight. For many years, many aviators believed that man was not meant to fly faster than the speed of sound, theorizing that transonic drag rays would tear any aircraft apart. All that changed on October 14, 1947, when Yeager flew the X-1 over Rogers Dry Lake in Southern California. The X-1 was lifted to an altitude of 25,000 feet by a B-29 aircraft and released through the Bombay, rocketing to 4,000 feet and exceeding 662 miles per hour, the sound barrier at that altitude. The rocket plane, nicknamed Glamorous Glynis after Yeager's wife, was designed with thin, unswept wings and a streamlined fuselage modeled after a .50 caliber bullet. Because of the secrecy of the project, Bell and Yeager's achievement was not announced until June 1948. Yeager continued to serve as a test pilot, and in 1953 he flew 1,650 miles per hour in an X-1A rocket plane. He retired from the U.S. Air Force in 1975 with the rank of Brigadier General. Yeager died on December 7, 2020, at the age of 97. I want to thank everybody for watching today, and I want you to stay safe and stay blessed, and remember to smile, because I love you, but more importantly, God loves you. Bye. I'll see you in my next video. Remember, I go live every Saturday night at 5 p.m. Central. That's 6 p.m. Eastern Time. I just want you to remember, Ashley, we're still praying for you, and have a blessed day, and come back to YouTube really quick. Ashley, we miss your lives and your crochet and your crafting videos.